Hi everybody. We're going to go over the parts of speech and mechanics assessment now. Even if you don't think that you want this read out loud, please watch this video because I'm going to really assist you in using your cheat sheet for this assessment. It looks like we already have one turned in. If you have already turned in this assignment, I'm going to send it back to you because you need to redo it. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Parts of speech and mechanics assessment. You will need to put your name and the class that you're in, because I'm using this for two different classes. Now, number 1, check everything that needs to be capitalized. If you go back to Classroom, this PDF is your cheat sheet, okay? There's 2 sheets, This one is mostly mechanics. This one is parts of speech, okay? Capitalization is a mechanic tool, okay? And right here, it lists the 9 reasons why we capitalize things, okay? Look at this before you answer this question. Only click the boxes of the things that are on that cheat sheet. All right, does that make sense? So really, guys, I'm giving you the answers. Not out loud, but they're all written right here. Okay, and that's how I want you to use your cheat sheet for this whole assignment. Now the second question, what is a noun? What I want you to do, go down to parts of speech. Here it is, noun. Person, place, thing, or idea. All right, so there's another answer. That's exactly what you would type in here. Check all the words that are conjunctions below. So you're going to go back to your cheat sheet. A conjunction is a part of speech. And look here. I give you a list of coordinating and subordinating conjunctions. So you just need to look at that list, compare it to this one, and click the words that are on both. What is a conjunction? Now I just want to know in general, not specific of the 2 types. So you can just put this sentence right here. See how easy I'm making this for you guys? All right, so same thing, check all the types of verbs below. If you go to your cheat sheet, look under verbs, it lists all the different types. Then you need to list what is a verb, type up the definition that is on the list, on your cheat sheet. What is a pronoun? Same thing. Type up the definition on your cheat sheet. Just like conjunctions, all the pronouns are listed here, okay? So what I want you guys to do is click on the ones in this checklist that actually are pronouns. Do not click the ones that are not pronouns. Next question, please write 1 adjective to describe the word teenager, okay? Teenager is a noun. An adjective describes a noun. Give me a word that describes a teenager. Next question. Please write 1 adverb that modifies or describes the word cried. Cried is a verb in the past tense. An adverb will describe or modify, so like to tell who, what, where, when, why, of the word cried. So please give 1 adverb for that. Now, these last questions do have to do with mechanics. So on your cheat sheet, you'll go back up to that first part, and it's asking you about punctuation. Where does a period go? Please tell me you don't have to use your cheat sheet for this one. Now, for this next one, please type a semicolon. I just want to know that you know what a semicolon looks like. Okay? Next question, check all the instances where commas might be used. All right, if you look at the cheat sheet, there's a whole section for commas, comma rules. It's the whole left side of the paper, okay? So look for these instances here. And then the last one, what 3 punctuation marks only come or not only, but they usually come at the end of the sentence. Okay, so out of these, what 3? And if you look at the cheat sheet, under punctuation tools, it will tell you that information. All right, if you guys have any other questions or concerns, please let me know. Good luck.